Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Madhu Kushwaha, Assistant Professor in SIRT Pharmacy, Bhopal. The subject name is Pharmacology Second. The topic name is Thiazides for fifth semester. Thiazides and related diuretics, which is inhibits of sodium chloride importer. Thiazide refers to both a class of sulfur-containing organic molecules. The thiazide drug class was discovered and developed at Merck and Co. in the 1915s. This is the structure of chlorthalidone and hydrochlorothiazide. This is the main structure of the thiazide. And R2, R3 or R6 is the substitution in the thiazide structure. This is the diagrammatically mechanism of action of thiazide. Thiazide blocks the sodium chloride co-transporter where lower sodium facilities and calcium reabsorption by sodium calcium exchange. 10% of filtered sodium is normally reabsorbed in the distal convoluted tubule. Thiazide diuretics, loss of sodium and water, hypokalemic metabolic alkalosis, and increased calcium reabsorption. This is the theoretical mechanism of action. Thiazide diuretics inhibiting reabsorption of sodium and chloride ions from the distal convoluted tubules in the kidneys by blocking the thiazide sensitive sodium chloride importer. Thiazide increase calcium reabsorption at the distal tubules by lowering the sodium concentration in the tubule epithelial cells. Thiazides indirectly increase the activity of the basolateral sodium calcium antiporter to maintain intracellular sodium level, facilitating calcium to leave the epithelial cells into the renal interstitium. Thus, intracellular calcium concentration is decreased, which allows more calcium from the lumen of the tubules to enter epithelial cells via apical calcium selective channel TRPV5. Less calcium in the cell increases the driving force for reabsorption from the lumen. Thiazides are also thought to increase the reabsorption of calcium by a mechanism involving the reabsorption of sodium and calcium in the proximal tubule in response to sodium depletion. Some of these responses due to augmentation of the action of parathyroid hormone. And again, pharmacokinetics of thiazides. All thiazides are well absorbed orally. Their action starts within 1 hour, but duration varies from 6 to 48 hours. And uses of thiazides: high blood pressure and congestive heart failure, accumulation of fluid, edema, heart failure, cirrhosis, and chronic kidney failure and hypercalciuria. Side effect of thiazide: dizziness and lightheadedness, blurred vision, loss of appetite, itching and stomach upset, headache and weakness. and some other important points in thiazide diuretics. Complications of high saline and thiazide type diuretic therapy. Most of the adverse effects of these drugs are related to fluid and electrolyte changes caused by them. They are remarkably safe in low dose and use over short periods. Many subtle metabolic effects have been reported in their long-term use as antihypertensive at the relatively higher dose used in the past. Complications is hypokalemias, acute saline depletion, dilutional hyponatremia, GIT and CNS disturbances, hearing loss, allergic manifestations, hyperuremic and hypokalemic. Then last, magnesium depletion are the complications of high saline and thiazide type diuretic therapy. And thiazide also used in edema, hypertension, diabetes insipidus. In diabetes insipidus, thiazides decrease positive free water clearance and are the only drug effective in nephrogenic diabetes insipidus. However, they reduce urine volume in pituitary origin cases as well. And hypercalciuria is is uses of thiazide diuretics. And drugs of thiazide diuretics with generic drug name with trade name and low dose threshold mg per day. Thiazide diuretics, chlorothiazide is less than 500 mg per day. Chlor hydrochlorothiazide, the trade name and generic name is Aquazide and hydride. Dose is 12.5 to 25 or or 50 mg per day. Bendroflumetazide less than 5 mg per day. Methiclothiazide less than 5 mg per day. Trichloromethazide less than 2 mg per day. And last category of thiazide like diuretic is chlorthalidone. Hythalton is the generic name of drug, is 50 to 100 mg per day. Indapamide is Lorvas is the dose of less than 5 mg per day. This is the drugs of thiazide diuretics with brand name and dose of the drug. Thank you.